Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the You May Like suggestion option in TikTok. So if you tap on the search bar right here, and here you will find the option You May Like. Now, one thing that you can do is to just tap on the refresh. And if you're still not satisfied with everything that you see here, which is the TikTok is suggesting to you, then you can do a few steps. The one thing that you can do is to tap on your profile, then go tap on the three dots right at the top, and then you can go to the settings and privacy. Right here, you will find the option content preferences. And here, you will find manage topics. So what you can do here is creative art, dance, all these topics. So if you want to watch more videos related to this, you can slide this bar to the right of the screen. If you don't want to see it, you can just slide it to the left of the screen. As you see less. You don't want to see anything like that. So all these topics, you can scroll down and find other topics as well. So once you're done, all you need to do is to tap on the save option right here. So once you save it, so I need to make a few changes, and then once you save it, that is it. Now your preference will be updated. The next thing that you can do, you need to go back to the settings and privacy, and here you will find Activity Center. In Activity Center, all you need to do is to go to the search history, and here you will find all your search. All you need to do is to tap on select, then right at the bottom select all the history. Once you select that, then delete all. Once you delete all of these options, it will automatically improve that what you want to see, that the topics that you have selected in the previous settings, it will come automatically to you, and you will watch more of those topics that you have selected. So guys, if it helps, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.